5 seconds. Start. In the opinion of this court, the decision delivered by the three-judge bench of the Supreme Court in express newspapers is a binding decision under Article 141 of the Constitution of India. The said decision is not only binding on this court but also on all the other governmental authorities. The Supreme Court spoke in one voice and quashed the so cause notices threatening re entry. There was no dissenting view in the said decision. As per the leading judgment of Justice Sen, the then government had contemplated a legislation to provide a forum for adjudication of such disputes which did not materialize. Thus, the Supreme Court relegated the parties to a civil suit for adjudication of the disputes in respect of conversion charges and occupation charges, etc. The court further suggested arbitration for resolving the disputes between the parties, which was also contemplated for determining the quantum of conversion charges payable, which was not acceptable to the government. Failing all of these options for providing a forum or resorting to arbitration, the government had the option to file a duty constituted suit to realize the conversion charges and additional ground rent, whatever may be recoverable. No other liberty was given to the Union of India. In fact, a mandatory injunction was passed restraining the Union of India from taking any steps with respect to termination of lease for non-payment of conversion charges or otherwise for construction of express building till the amount recoverable is decided by a civil court. In addition, the Supreme Court quashed the so cause notice and declared that the construction of express building on the portion on the west side with an increased FAR 360 with double basement was with permission of the Union of India, and there was no breach of the lease deed. The Supreme Court also directed the Union of India, Delhi Development Authority, and Municipal Corporation of Delhi forbearance and from issuing any threats in any manner whatsoever. Union of India was only permitted to enforce its claim for recovery of conversion charges and additional ground rent, if any, by a duty constituted suit. The MCD was directed to compound the construction of double basement, the access basement beyond the plinth limit, and the underground passage on payment of usual composition fee. This is the usual practice by local bodies here. Stop.